In this video, I will show you how to draw perfect circle or rectangle in Illustrator. So very simple and easy way. In this toolbar, select rectangle, press and hold shift key and draw. This way you can draw perfect rectangle. Same way you can draw perfect circle. Press and hold shift key and draw. To change color and size everything, just select it and press and hold shift. So this way you can change the size. To change outline size color in the stroke, you can make your required outline size and color. Double click this outline and change and select your required color. Firstly select it so it will reflect the changes. Thanks for watching.